Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to notify. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my personal results. So if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, give me a thumbs up. Whenever I watch my videos, just give me a thumbs up. That hand always goes up. But when you just touch the hand, it show blue. You have already show like. So that's it. You are welcome to Lovette Alex TV. You are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the recipe, the things I used to get rid of my pimples. My face is not like this before. So guys, I'm going to be showing you my picture for the past. You understand? I'm going to be showing you I'm present now. So it have not been long. You understand? It has not been long. After 1 month, I discovered my face is like this. I said, so I will not just shut my mouth. I will not say this one out, because there's a lot of people out there that really need solution about their face, about the pimples, you know. A lot of people that have experienced pimples. So I've did video before. I've made a video for this before. But people also ask me the kind of soap I'm using, and I was not with my Omega, and I use Omega as well. So I decided to make another video, to do another video for this pimples of a thing. I just decided to show you my personal results, how I use it, and just 1 month. I just use it just 1 month. I found it like this, just 1 month. Guys, you are going to be seeing my picture. After 1 month, you see the other picture. So I'm going to be making the picture, the past and now, the present and the past tense. So I'm going to make the picture together like this, and you will see before and now. So guys, it's like that. I was so surprised. Even before, I was thinking maybe all hope is lost, but I never knew that my face would come back to life again. So it's so surprised. A lot of people that know me before, that I'm a kind of person that used to experience a lot of pimples. I'm a kind of person that have pimples. A lot of people that know me before, when they see my face, they was asking me, what do you use? And what kind of soap are you using in your face? So today I just put everything together, because I've received a lot of call when I put my present and my past in my Facebook. A lot of people call me direct. A lot of people reach me who have my contact before. They called me, so they want to know what I really use for my face, and the soap and everything I use for my face. A lot of people said they want to know about it, and I've not shown it to people, and I just show the other one, and I use what they call it, Berry Blend and Omega, but I just show only Omega for the other video, the first video that I did for the past before, but I didn't show this Berry Blend. And people was telling me that why I supposed to show all the things I really use in this video, in my video. So I decided to make another video so that I will show it to people, and what I really use. I believe that they will know what I really use. So let's go there by showing you one after the other and what I really use for my pimples. First of all, this is my Omega. This is it. If you bought it, it's going to come with two like this. So this is my Omega, and I have here Berry Blend. I have Berry Blend here as well. This is Berry Blend. It's still like this kind of carton. So guys, it still come with two the same way with the other one. This is berry blend. This berry blend and omega. So I just want to do this video that a way that you people will really understand and how it tastes and how I use this to recipe and this product. So do you know what I did, guys? I will take one inside this now. I take one from here and I take one from here. This is the two of them. It looks like this, omega and berry blend. I hope you guys see it very well. Omega and berry blend. These are the two things I was taking every morning. You can take it morning, you can take it evening as well, because sometimes I take it in the evening, sometimes I take it in the morning. You understand? You can take it in the afternoon, anytime. You have no problem with it. You can take it anytime you wish or you feel like to taking it. There's no problem. So this, do you know what I do, guys? I will open it. It's like this. Do you see it? I open it. Do you know what I do? I take two like this. This is two, and this omega is liquid. Omega is liquid. So I take two, but I remove another one again that make it three. I didn't swallow the three of them, but what I just did. Just be watching, guys. So I've not opened this before, so I need to take the one that I've opened before. So the other video I did before, just that my omega was finished, so that is the reason why I was not with my omega. So that is why I really want to show you guys and everything and how I use it. It's like this as well. Look at it. I take two of berry blend. Berry blend is not liquid. It's powder. When you open it, it's powder. It's not liquid. While omega is a liquid. You know what I did? I take this with water, then I swallow it. Okay, let me just take it. I'm showing you guys right now. I've already shown you guys. I'm going to be taking it. I'm going to be taking it. Oh my God. You need a lot of water. You have to drink a lot of water. I'll take it, guys. So after when I take it, you have not ended there. But first of all, after when I take it, do you know what I do? Before I after when I've taken it in the morning, like sometimes I take it in the morning. Let's assume you take it in the morning, then you have not ended there also. I come again and by taking one after taking swallowing the other one, and I open it again as well. I open berry blend and I take one out of it. Inside this berry blend, I take one here. The one I take here, you can use that one for 3 days or 4 days. You know how you are going to use it. So let me show you how I did it. So this is it. I take one out of the omega and I take one from berry blend, and I'm going to open the omega and the berry blend. But before that, let's assume it's evening. It's only evening you can use this. You can't use it in the morning. You can't use this in the morning, or you can't use it in the afternoon. You know, maybe you will be going out. You cannot use this and then leave it in your face and go out. No. Once you just use it for some time, you can wash it. There's no problem. But it's very good. It's better you use it in the evening. But before then, a lot of people was asking me the soap I use in my face. So this is the soap I was using in my face. I use this soap. Oh, sorry. This is the soap I was using. You will find this soap in Pharmacia. But why this berry blend? If you want to get this berry blend and this omega, this berry blend and omega, if you want to really get the both of them, you can go to my website www.lovette9.juiceplus.com. That is my website, and I will put it down below. If you're interested, you can just go to my website. Just try to click on it. Just press that link to my website. Just press it. Immediately you just go to my website. You will just see this and this. You can place the order yourself. If you wish to place the order yourself, you can get this one in my website. This one. But if you don't know how to place the order, you can also call me, or there is my number on my YouTube, there's my number on my Facebook. You can call me, or you can just inbox me. Just inbox me. I'll be available to help you out to place an order for this. So as for this soap, guys, you can get it in Pharmacia. Okay, what is the name again? Oil freeze, and so oil freeze. So this is what they write here. I don't know. This is what they write here. Oil free. So you can get it in Pharmacia. Oil free attivo is Italian. Maybe you will see it very well here. This is it. Maybe you will see it very well. I don't know. Oil free attivo. Oil free attivo. You can get it in Pharmacia as well. I don't want to say the money I usually use to buy it. If you get a Pharmacia, they will tell you that. So oil free attivo is inside the carton, but right now I don't know. I just open it. I throw the carton away. So I would have shown you the carton. Maybe you will just say the price there. Sorry, but I don't know. I just throw it away. Oil free attivo. So this is the things I was using in my face. And guys, just 1 month. 1 month. I discover I see my face like this. Just 1 month. Just 1 month, guys. 1 month. My face was clear. So it's so active. This 3 things is so good. this Omega berry blend, Omega, the two of them, they are so amazing. It's amazing product, guys. So this oil free active, oil free active, in English I think oil free active, but I don't know, oil freeze active. So Ativo, this is Ativo now, it's Ativo, oil free Ativo. Look at it very well, you know what I'm talking about. Oil free Ativo. I think you guys see it already. So that's it. Do you know what I did? If you want to use this one, don't just put it in your hand and use it as normal, like you want to wash your face. No, you cannot use it that way. The way you can use this particular one, you have to put a warm water. Put a warm water in the bucket. After putting warm water in the bucket, do you know what you will do? Put a warm water in the bucket. Just little, not too much, but make it to be warm water, because don't use cold water to wash your pimples. If you are experiencing a lot of pimples, don't use warm water, cold water. Always use warm water to wash your face. It's very good and it will help you for your pimples. So do you know what I did? So I will take out of this. You are going to use this for 3 months. You can use it 3 months. 3 months. Yeah, you can use it 3 months. I just bought it new. I've not even used it. You understand? But this one is so active. So I was using this one. It was so good, everything was good, but I was using this one to be washing my face, just like that. So this is what I was using to wash my face. You know what I did? After putting warm water in your bucket, you take out of this. The soap is very, very white. I don't know. I've opened it before, so you see it. It's like this. In case you want to bought it and you find it so difficult, you see, this it's like this. So it's like this. Maybe you will see how this is very dry. So I put warm water in the bucket. The next thing, I mixed it together like this. I mixed it with my hand. I wash my face. Be washing your face with the warm water. Wash it inside the bucket like that. Just be washing it inside the bucket. Be washing it. Not wash it in the place you will use to brush your mouth. No. Use that warm water inside the bucket. Be using it from the bucket. So after putting this one inside, you mixed it together already. Be using it to wash your face. After that, you clean your face. Then you take this. You open it. You take a scissors, because you can't just open it like this, because it's very, very strong. So you can't just open it like that. It's so very, very strong. So all you really need to do is for you just take it like this. Take scissors, you cut it. Yeah, I cut it. Then I put it in my pan. You see, it's a liquid. I put it in my pan. I don't put it in anything. Then this one is a powder. I open it. I take out of it. You see, it's very full. Put it here. You can use this one for 3 times, 3 to 4 times, if I'm not mistaken. You can use it. Then you close it again, because you can't throw it away. You keep it inside the side of the carton. So this is it. I don't know if you can see it. This is it. I use my finger, one of my finger, to mix it like this. It will now look like this. I mixed it together with the berry blend. So you are going to mix it. I was not using it to rub my face every evening, guys. Evening, not morning, not afternoon, evening. But this one I'm just showing you, so I need to use it so that you will see it. And also I will go and wash my face after using it. So this is it, guys. I don't use it to do it like this. Please, you be careful of your eye bulb, you know. Don't need to put it inside your eyes. So I use it like this. This is how I use it every evening. Every evening. 1 month, guys, I get my result. 1 month. It will not up to 1 month, but you'll be seeing results. But if you want it to be clear, everything will be clear. 1 month. 1 month, everything just get clear. I see my face like this 1 month. I feel wow. People was asking me, last month your face was very rough. Why now your face is very clear? Yeah, I said this is what I'm using. I really show it to people and people appreciate it. And they were so happy to know my Omega and Berry blend. Because this product is something else. It's really working. So as I use it this afternoon now, I will go and wash my face with warm water with this soap, because this thing is oil. So that is why I'm going to use the soap. But if you want to use the soap, is every evening. Every evening is very better. You use it every evening. The soap is making the this thing to dry. This Omega and the Berry blend. This one to make the soap to that is the sore, which is the pimples, the way it is to be melting it. This one and this, both of them, they are melting the pimples. They are killing it inside your body. They kill the pimples inside body, so that they cannot be able to see opportunity to come out. So why this one you are using to rubbing it, it will be removing it outside. Why this one is killing it inside? Why this one is removing it outside? So it's like that. This is what I always did every day, every evening. This is what I always did. And after then, I sleep. You are going to sleep with it. I used to sleep with it. After this, I sleep. When I wake up, I wash my face with warm water. So every day, this is what I always did. 1 month, I find out that my face. Thank you so much for watching, guys. God bless you. Have a nice day. I love you guys. Bye.